Working on cars, whether it's in garage or on a driveway, we all know how important it is to keep your tools organized for the efficiency. Most importantly, not to lose the tools, especially 10mm. I do a lot of side jobs on a driveway as a hobbyist, and I don't have big truck to keep my tools in a big toolbox. Over the years, I have tried many ways to be organized. I work on small scale. What I found works best for me at this moment is fabric bag for my power tools, one master set of basic car tools, and this cantilever box where I keep my pliers, screwdrivers, impact socket, and other miscellaneous. I take extra duffel bag and if I have to, but these three storage option works for me most of the time. I have one heavy duty cantilever box from Hazet already, and it served me very well for many years until I found brake fluid was leaking from the bottle and spilled all over the box during the winter storage. And here you can see what I found after 6 months of storage. The brake fluid damaged the paint. Brake fluid is a highly corrosive to the paints. I still use this box and it's working flawlessly. It's just a paint. I will repaint it when I get the time. But it gave me an excuse to get a new cantilever box. As you guys know, I love buying tools. Since my Hazet Tool Box is still serving me very well, so no need to duplicate it, so I decided to try a different brand this time. I found a good deal on Amazon and ordered it. This time I wanted a bit smaller one, so I bought this Stahlwille cantilever box. There is no protection on the side walls of the package, and there seems no damage though. Don't know why this plastic sheet is there. Box looks nice and sturdy. It's got nice powder coated paint job. The Stahlwille logo is paint stamped. I wish it was metal stamped or punch stamped just like these. When I ordered it from Amazon, the picture of this box with this punch stamp, it seems it's an older model. This is common problem with Amazon. They don't update their product pictures. Similarly, I bought this Hazet box and here you can see the picture of the box with Hazet emblem logo, but the box I got without this logo. Another example, I bought this Hazet Tool Box and the picture has plastic insert and the old design style ratchet, but this is what I got with the foam insert and the Hyper series ratchet. It's not a big deal, but I preferred those old style logos and wanted product with the original displayed picture on the website at least. Check the other detail of the box. I like the dark green color. This box is not made in Germany and there is no information where it was made in, but I assume it is made in Poland. I ordered it from German Amazon, but the package tracking information started from Poland, so I'm assuming it's from Poland. If any of you guys know where this box is made in, let us know in the comment section. Opening of the box is just a little bit stiff. I'm really impressed how the paint and the construction is nicely done. Every corner of the box nicely done. It's heavy duty box. The sheet does not seem to be very thick as the Hazet box though, which is okay if you don't want very heavy box. It's weighing around 4.7 kg versus 5.2 kg of Hazet, but this Stahlwille box is a bit smaller than the Hazet box. It's around 43 cm long, 20 cm wide and 20 cm high. Hazet box is 57.5 cm wide, 21 cm long and 24.5 cm high. Stahlwille do offer a big box similar to the Hazet size. The rivets on the box seem nice and sturdy. Let's put some tools into the box. I'm not gonna fill the box fully, just to give you guys an idea how much tools it can carry. This kind of the box is pretty handy for smaller job. It can take all the basic hand tools such as spanners, sockets, ratchets, screwdrivers, torque wrench, pliers and many more. This small bit driver from Viha has perfect place into this box. I'm not gonna fill it up to the fullest, but you guys get idea what can be fit and what not. When the box is loaded, opening and closing is not stiff anymore. I'm very impressed with the quality and the workmanship of this box. One thing to be noticed, the box is not completely sealed. The corner of each layer have holes. In case of raining, if the water seeps through the box while the lid is open, the water can be flowed off the box through these holes. Once I was working on a car, the sudden rain filled up the box. Hazet box does not have these holes. At first, these holes seems to be mistake or manufacturing flaws, but these are on purpose. I think it is a nice feature for situation like that. Yep. Overall, I'm pretty impressed with the size and the quality of the box. The combination of the cantilever box with the duffel style bag and this tool set works for me. But it is just me. What do you guys think about this kind of cantilever box for the side jobs? Feel free to comment below. And if you are new to the channel, consider to subscribe. For now, I end this video here. See you guys in another video.